this mic. This is point of view of me putting the mic back on. This thing's a piece of fucking shit. And now it won't even like go back on. Alright guys, this is a quick little nutshell of what we're doing. I'm with Zach right now. He's fucking brushing his teeth because Cassie's out front. And we're going to Snowbowl right now.
What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Brojitos. It's fucking beautiful out. We're gonna hit some fatty jumps, some backflips. It's gonna be insane. Just hope we can make it up to the mountain in the snow.
Yeah, anyways, to repeat what Zach was saying, we're going to Snowbowl. But I said it second, so it's better. Cassie's currently right there. She's brushing off my car for me because she's a homie.
That's why we got Cassie around.
Hello, Cassie.
Hello.
Thanks for brushing my car off.
Forgot my other windbreaker. I'm gonna go back for it.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have been able to tell, but it's snowing. Like really, really snowing right now. I kind of want to try a backflip even though I'll get nowhere near it.
Okay, you don't need to break your neck.
Holy shit, it's snowing. Let's get in the car. I don't know why you're taking so long, Cassie.
I was kind of sliding on the way over here. I was like,
Let's look at these road conditions, guys. Yeah, it's just fucking snow. I almost ran into a pole last night because I started sliding like a fuck ton.
Oh, like in your car?
Yeah.
That's
like
bad.
Guys, it is fucking insanely snowy right now. Like, holy shit.
Oh yeah, you weren't in Bryan Head.
Yeah, we actually saw it.
Yeah, I'm like, this isn't that cool, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go up the mountain.
Shred gnar.
Shred the gnar.
Back threes off the jibs. For Mike.
Yeah.
Dude, this honestly might be my friends.
Wake up, bro. Zach, we gotta do some boarding.
Oh shit, where am I? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Okay.
Alright, Cassie, snow report.
Powder. Lots. Good.
Lots and lots of powder.
Meet me in the Garden of Eden. I'm on my Adam and Eve shit. Motorboat in the cleavage. What? Let me take a bite of the apple. I'm fiending. Just like a Snapple. All these bitches go to plastic for no reason. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Got these bitches on my nuts. I might make a couple bucks. No, it's skill, this ain't no luck. Why you even hit me up if you ain't even tryna fuck? Yeah, this blazing got me stuck. Moving crazy in the cut, yeah. Strolling and rolling and bowling. That's a strike, ayy. You wanna fight, ayy? Get out of my way. Hit the highway before you fucking die, mate. Make it through the weekend party on Friday.
feeling, buddy?
Feel amazing, really great actually. We just got down from our last run, and Cassie's friend took us on a pretty rough run. It was just, I don't know, I haven't done something like that in a minute, but it was super cool because, you know, it's good to switch up what you're doing.
Yeah, the snow was amazing. We just got done with Bryan Head, and then we come back to Arizona for this great powder. That's amazing.
It was really fun. My legs were tired by the end of the day, but worth it. Do it again tomorrow.
She's gonna drop us off at Tyler's house and see where the night takes us. So let's go, guys.
Becky, get the peanut butter jelly.
This and slap. Narwhal, you have to do this and slap. And so say you do the
Pay attention.
you just correct it.
Taco.
Yep. Go.
Is this all like an even amount? I don't know. Like,
Right now we're playing taco, cat, goat, cheese, and pizza.
How would you like try
And
to like
I just kicked Zach's ass.
spell out? I didn't, but he like did it before
I
we even
accused
posted
Tyler of ripping that little tab.
Ooh, I like it. Ooh, fives are hot. Your fives.
Over the 50% mark.
3 for full house. If you fail 2 on 1.